Check it out, peeps. Check it out. Out here in Tri-Cities, Washington. Checking it out. Showing the peeps what's it all about. It's duro. Kind of vending out here. Kinds of goodies. Got some snow cones. Yeah. Hopefully we get another couple more out here. Oh, it gets loud. Check it out. Got stuff in this shirt. Heck yeah. Kinds of goodies that way. On the corner there. Taking a little ATV out, cruising, check it out, There you go. That's what it's about. Wait till they get 2 or 3 out here. It's real loud. There's some tacos over there, the homies over here. Got the Red Lion. Piña coladas over there. Tumbleweeds. What? She's dancing it. Get out, peeps. Time to cook it up. Showed up on time. Let's get it out. Well, right around that corner fast. Seeing these suckers flip out here. Out in these waters. They flip all the way upside down. Hopefully everything's good. Don't get that bad around here. You don't need no one's flipping, people getting hurt, you know, all that jazz. It's better to be safe. Come around that corner again, check it out. Come here early enough, get yourself first come, first serve spot.